Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add admin to your Instagram business account. Alright, so let's get started. So the first step is to go to facebook.com and then log into your account. So once you have logged into your account, on the right hand side you can see your account. Click over here and now switch to your page. So that is your business account. Alright, so once you're here, go to settings and privacy. Alright, so on the left hand side you can see the option for linked account. Click over here and from here you can connect to your Instagram account. So now let's click connect and confirm as well. Alright, so once you have connected your account, you can just go to Meta Business Suite and then manage the account. Alright, so once you have connected your account, on the left hand side you can see the option for settings. Click over here and now we are on our business account. Now here you can see our business account info. We have connected our Instagram business account. So to add admins, all you have to do is on the left hand side you can see the option for people. Click over here and here you can see the option for add people. So now click on add people and here you have to enter their email, and that is how you'll be able to add admins to your Instagram business account. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.